Okay, they're cleaning now the exact location where the North Grove will be built. Will be developed by Cebu Land Masters, one of the best developer here in Visayas and also Mindanao. This place is at Pristina Town, one of the prestigious town in Cebu. All right, there will be two towers there, the Lumina and the Terra towers, and there will be retail spaces below and supermarket. And it is near to schools like Maria Montessori, San Carlos, Intalamban, Ateneo de Cebu, and other schools. If you're interested about this project, you can message me. And of course, we have showroom for studio unit and one bedroom. We don't have two bedrooms, only one bedroom and studio unit. Our showroom is located in Kasuntingan, Mandaue, and it's already finished. You can visit there or you can message me and we'll go there if you want. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.